Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru.
Hello everyone, thank you Oxen for the invitation for your great Cadaver course. I used all the different stuff and you have great stuff over there. I used the roll suture anchor, the self punch one. It was actually a great point in your armamentarium. Also the gyro lock. I love all the suture that I used in there, and I hope you to continue producing great stuff to the orthopedic surgeon.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Amr Rashwan. I'm Professor of Orthopedic Surgery and Arthroscopic Surgery, Cairo University. Thanks to Oxen Company for offering the gyro lock knotless for rotator cuff repair. Here we have coupled the sutures, and it is a self-punching lateral row anchor. Is introduced this way, and then using a mallet you will proceed with the anchor into the bone until it is completely embedded in the bone, offering you a good lateral row repair for rotator cuff. Thank you.